Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to create GitHub pages. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com, if you have not already. And once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here in the home page in the upper right corner. We can get started signing up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. So this is the main page where you can go ahead and get started accessing our repositories right here. We have our home page info, all the home projects we can access are right here, and so on. And now we can get started. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with our pages. So basically guys, what are pages? We can take a look at right here the documents page of GitHub, the quick start for GitHub pages. So this is available in public repositories with GitHub free, and GitHub free are for organizations where you can get started creating your pages. So once you have created your repository, we can get started with the pages. If you don't already have a repository, what you can click is right here in the upper right corner. Click on your profile icon. That's going to open up this new menu where one of the options is going to be called your repositories that you can open up, and now we can get started. So here we can get started creating new repositories by clicking the green button. That's going to enable us to create them and get started. Create your repository and then you can get started with the pages. So basically guys, once you have made your repository public, you can select to initialize this repository with a readme, and then you can click create repository. Under your repository name, you can click settings, and then you can get started with the code and automation option for building deployment, and then you can get started with the readme pages and so on. So basically you can follow the steps right here on how to get started with setting up your branches, pages, and so on. I have showed you how to create a repository. From here you can get started with yourself with the pages to go ahead and set them up. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.